May loud noise na naman po tayo naririnig ngayon. Outside. Today is March 3. Ayun. From here, meron... Beautiful. It's scary. Oh!
Apat!
Ayun po, meron akong dami.
Wait, mommy!
4. It's already
Again, so
4.
that is happening right
The
now.
only one is flying here.
Yeah, it's already debris.
Mom!
No more. I hope it's over.
Kaya babagsak
That's
yun.
yesterday.
That
Wednesday
one.
yun.
That is... Oh, there's more.
Oh, 5.
Hala, where's the other one? Ayun.
Oh, 6.
Oh.
6, 7.
Oh, yun, 7.
Pero hindi siya kita. Hindi siya kita, no?
Di siya kita kasi nga po yung yung weather,
Because of the weather.
medyo
dami.
medyo gloomy.
Yeah. Saan yung moon?
Grabe. Wala nga si Moon.